Alright guys, I'm gonna move this out of the way. You're gonna hear it singing crackle. I'm just gonna move some of this stuff out of the way real quick. Alright. This is what we're doing. These were on sale for Prime Day or whatever. They were like $110 cheaper than the ones that had the didn't have the heat sinks on. So I was like, man, dude, I need to save as much money as I can, especially when they're like $750. So this was like well, they were like $7, whatever it was, but this was like $650 something. Anyways, but this is what it's gonna look like. I did this one. But man, dude, this was the most. I'm not a PC guy. I don't deal with these parts, so I don't know the pressure to take it off. So I was like, man, it was just sketchy to me. But it has this kind of thermal pad on it on the backside. The backside's the hardest thing. So I've already taken the screws out, and I know people are gonna be like, oh, you should have showed that. Anyways, there's 4 screws. You'll need like a pretty small one. I'll show you the size. I don't even know the size, but I have this little. I bought this little kit, but it was this one right here. So see if it'll focus. It'll focus. No, it won't. But it was a pretty small one. Just find the one that works for you. They come out pretty easy. This torque, the torque on this thing is like super low. Like it's like to a 0.5 nano or whatever it is. It's for what was this? It's for computer stuff, but I mean, like, you don't need that thing, honestly. But let's see, center's right here. All right, so I've already taken the top off. I've taken this off. This is really easy to take off. Just get your fingernails and just get into one of these grooves and kind of like slowly pull it, and it'll come off pretty easy. And this is the hard, like, sketchy part. So what I did was I filed this kind of down. I cut it down because you can cut it, but I'll show you why. And then I use this just to like kind of like pry right here. This one's the one I just did is kind of, it's stuck a lot less. Like, this one's hard. I don't even know if I trust myself to do it. Oh yeah, it's coming off. Yeah, just so I have my phone on my shelf just so I can record this because I didn't see a video. So just like slowly just work it. I don't know, man, dude. I'm not gonna manhandle this shit. You know what I mean? Like, I've worked out on the rigs for like 10 years and yeah. I'm scared I'm gonna break it, but there's like 4 little indents right here, and then there's 2 on each side. So if you get something that can go in there, just kind of start slowly working it like this, like slowly start pressing down on it, and then each of these holes, and then so the reason why I have it like this because there's those little legs, the little leg thingies. And this won't touch down. So I don't know if I can, like I said, I don't know too much about computers, but everyone I talk to that does kind of just says that. Just like, you're going to have to like wiggle it off or whatever, or pull it off. And I'm like, fuck. But, damn, man. Like, this one's on tight. Like, the other one wasn't that bad. Like, this one, okay. I'm trying to stay in camera. Did I go? Alright, cool. It goes all the way over there. And you'll start hearing it go kind of like peel off, like a peel off sound. And, man, I'm trying to describe how much pressure I'm putting on it. Man, dude, I'm putting enough pressure every time where it's turning my finger white. So, I mean, like, shit, man. I don't even know, like, see, so it kind of like popped off right there. Did you hear that? I don't know if y'all heard that. I have like Star Citizen. Oop. Okay, it's just the thing. God, dude, man. Fuck. Okay, so this is the really, I don't like this part. So man, dude, I grew up like a lot, like I'm 37, man. So like when I grew up, I was like the PC guy that I took a class in high school. He's like, don't ever touch stuff like this. So I don't like, I haven't even talked to my friends about it, but yeah. And I'm just like slowly like working it. But I mean, like, man, dude, if like when I post this video, like, man, dude, if feel free to leave a comment, man. Like, but yeah. But I'm gonna, man, dude, I cleaned it off, but I'm using the thermal paste from the Grizzly for one of my CPU thingy, because it's just like I can. Ah, shit. Just touched it. Oops. Hopefully. Okay. So I'm holding the bottom of those legs right now. Okay. I mean, well, we got it. I don't even know what this stuff is. I asked one of my friends. It was probably some sort of thermal paste or something. But it all looks fine and safe and good. But yeah. But it'll look like this. I'm assuming you can peel this off. I'm not gonna peel it off. I don't know until I figure out like how it's gonna go into my mob. But yeah. But anyways, that's the video. I'm gonna stop it. And dude, I did it in like 9 minutes, I guess.